a big bowl now to put the Phoebes in. So be careful.
Yeah, now
Let's pick her up. She might bite me. And pick her up. And put her in the big bowl. And roll her out. What? She said? That's a massive bowl for me.
Just for mine.
I think she can get her tail in there.
Me too.
And she won't splash so much.
She's trying to.
She got it in, but not in the
She
water.
loves it. Oh my goodness, I never
Play put her tail up there. Someone do that.
No, and you know how happy she is?
Very happy. There's kind of like a smile on her face.
There is a definite smile on her face, Mark. I totally agree with that. Here. Let's see what she looks like underneath. Like this, look. Oh.
Whoa! It looks like an egg. It looks like an egg cracking open.
Whoa!
Oh.
Feet.
Whoa!
The feet are just X's. The feet are X's.
Yeah? Is that cool?
When you put it on the wheel balls, I think.
Ooh, that's so cool. Maybe we should put it just so it's not in the crack. Well, this is the best thing to do, is to watch her have a bath.
Yep.
And to be able to see her through the bowl. She
Yeah.
looks a bit distorted, but she's in the bowl. Completely big, but she still keeps her big tail out.
What's it?
The tail was very big.
Yeah. The tail's
Whoa.
so big. Maybe you put Papa Bird in.
No, Papa Bird likes his own space.
He's sitting on eggs.
He's sitting on eggs right now, Papa Bird.
Oh, she just put water on my face.
Yeah, I love these.
How about she could fly around?
But she doesn't want to now. She's having such a good bath. She's loving it.